Hello everyone, it is Linda Sims of Les Method of Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance, Roman numeral 7. The song is Luther, the artist is KENDRICK, LAMAR, and SZA. The choreography is RHONDA, DICKSON. If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instructions, please watch till the end and also check out the choreographer. And let's go.
If this world were mine.
Hey, Roman numeral 7, baby, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I take your dreams and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I take your enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that life, hit them strictly with the fire. Fire, 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 fire. Hey, Roman numeral 7, baby, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I take your dreams and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I take your enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that life, hit them strictly with the fire. It's a vibe, nigga dance, let them watch. She a fan, he a flop. Niggas wanna kumbaya, nah.
This world concrete, flowers grow. Heartache, she only doing what she know. Weekends, get it poppin' on the low. Better days coming for sure. If it was up to me, I wouldn't give nobody no sympathy. I take away the pain, I give you everything. I just wanna see what you want to see.
This world were
You
mine.
got me out, you were slow. Baby, you were stop, straight, close. When I'm with you, everything goes. Come and put that on my soul. Molly, pounds, wrist, froze, check, count on the way home. This world concrete, flowers grow. All day, she only doing what she know. Weekends, get it poppin' on the low. Better days coming for sure. If it was up to me, I wouldn't give nobody no sympathy. I take away the pain, I give you everything. I just wanna see what you want to see.
This world were
I
mine.
cannot trust you, I love you, I will waste your time, I turn you off, just so I can turn you on. I'ma make you say it loud. I'm not even tripping, I won't stress you out. I'm not even settled down for you, I'ma show you I'm a pro. I'ma take my time and turn it off, just so I can turn you on, baby.
Weekends, get it poppin' on the low. Better days coming for sure. Coming for
If this world were mine.
And there you go, Roman numeral 7. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the
Hey,
next
Roman
video.